ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, have me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. I do roll like a Mack truck. Country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month. I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car to get tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up. Matter what? Told you I'ma do me. Why you hating on me? It's not adding up. Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up.
What's going on? Testing 1 2 1 2 1 2. I hope you guys hear me. Welcome to another live Q&A. 5MServers. Gonna be updating a few stuff. If you guys had any questions with the setup, let me know. Any problems, any changes that you might want to change, any mods. I'll be here for a little bit. I'm about to get started soon. Hopefully you guys hearing me before I change here my screens. Give me a few seconds and I'll be ready. All right. Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna start with a very important update. We're going to get to see if there's any glitches and stuff. I'm still working on 5MServers 6.5 build. I have not made any mods. The only thing I have done is whatever you guys have been asking me to do or change or want to learn inside here. The only thing mod wise, it was fix the map on Grove Street for the houses. Let me go ahead and let me log in real quick right here. We can go ahead and talk about that very quick. Not a big deal, but I already sent it out. I already sent it to the 5M guys, to the devs over there, so they can push.
Welcome to 5MServers.com.
This is too loud. There you go. So I sent it over last night or this morning, I guess. Well, depending in what part of the world you at, right? But I sent it this morning to them for the next update is there. If you guys want it, it's not a big file, so I think I can send it over the Discord. Or I asked them to just put them on the bug fixes or in the announcement so you guys can download it. But if you guys want it, just let me know. I'll send you the link. I have no problem with it. The only thing is I'm gonna show you guys is we'll fix. Hey, what's going on, Dory? And it is of the score. What's going on, dude? The only thing I've been working on too is right now there's 2 houses here. It was this house and the other 2 houses down that it has a collision issue. Let me go down here. Oh, this one. So if you guys have the 6.5 with the Smoky Grove map, probably you guys not gonna be able to enter. So I fix it. I removed the collision. There was a collision right here, so I fixed that, and I gave the update to the 5M devs over there so they can do that next push for the next update. If you guys want to have it now, you guys can DM me and I'll send it to you. The only one I'm still working on is the one on the back, okay? And this one still has a collision, but this one is a little bit, oh, I guess this is the old one. This one is a little bit tricky because there is like a collision right here. That is why sometimes it's not letting you go out. And with a collision removal right here on the back, I probably see you can see you can't go through the wall there. So that is why the one they have already, it don't have. The one that I sent to them, it doesn't have the one on the back removed, right? It's just the front. I know that this other house over here, this one has 3 doors. This one has the one here also, but this one is not removed yet. I let that there because it has to be the actual wall has to be modified. This one, see, it kind of like let me in, but not really. That is why. But you know, the only thing is we're removing collisions. Maybe I will go ahead and try to fix that to make that wall a little bit wider again. But for now, you guys can go in, no problems. I don't think you should be able. Let me see if I'll be able to get out from here. See, so as long as you guys don't get glitch. Let me see if I jump or anything. You know, it's so it's all right. At least you guys can go in. The only one is not working is the one on the back. This one is working because I'm doing testing. All right, let me see if will let me go out. See, it kind of let me pass, but not. Let me see if will let me do like walking. Like when I look at the file, there is like a collision right here on the top. You see that curtain on the top? There's like a square that goes down, so that's why it's not letting me get out. So it's kind of tricky. So I'm gonna put that one back, and then once I get it right, then I'll go ahead and fix it for you guys, and then I'll posting the map. I'll give it to them, and then you guys can have that, and then in that way you guys can actually use the MLO from here, right? So but for now, at least the front door is fixed on the 2 houses. So if you guys want it again, if the 5M guys over there at the Discord, if they don't post it, just the map, or if it take a while for them to update the for the next 6.6 build, then just go ahead and DM me on Discord, and I'll send it to you guys. All right, I have no problem. It's a small file, right? It's a small file. So oh, you changed your name. All right, so that's that mini fix on the 2 houses. So If you guys find any collisions, any other collisions from other maps, just let me know and I can take a look at it. And if there's an easy fix, then I'll go ahead and fix it. I'm not proficient in 3D Max, but at least I know how to remove collisions and make minor modifications, at least to make it work. Okay. So right now, a big thing, see, it's an update artifact. I'm gonna show you how to do an artifact update, especially that I have to actually do it. All right, so you guys get to see how I'm gonna do it. I'm on the 6.5 for 5M. All right, this is the one that you guys getting, and that's why I'm doing live on this one, because if something is not working, if it's like a global problem that you guys have not added any new script or anything, if you guys have a problem, I should be able to have the same problem here, right? That's common sense. So if not, then more than likely those are like isolated issues. So we kind of like have to look if you change anything or try to modify something that might cause some conflict. I need to wait for the files to be unlocked again. Oh, okay. Yeah, they posted, and I think they had it for like few days. I think like 6 days. And then I know they said they're gonna like lock them again. They have a lot of issues with leaking their files, so they kind of getting more strict about how they distribute the files. But also because it is through Google, to the Google Drive thing, it also, I think, I didn't know, I think Google has like a download limit. So if you have like a lot of people downloading the same file, they put like a download limit. So I never had that issue before with me sharing files, but I never had that many people trying to download like a specific file, like, because they have we have a lot of members, so a lot of people have their build. So anyways, let's go ahead and do this. So to get the artifacts right here, right, you get the artifact, you go to this website. I can just put it in on the you can put it in on the chat, or just go on the 5M. You guys can go here, 5M. You guys can go here where it says documents, so docs, 5m.net. Okay. You guys can go here, 5M, go docs. In here, just go and select what it says server manual. And then when you go here, go setting up a server. And here you go to where it says where destination, okay, artifact here on that step 2. Let me go ahead and put it a little bit bigger. There you go. So again, if you go through the actual 5m.net website, you guys go here, go in this on the top, documents, and then from here you go server manual, setting up server, and in here you're just going to find this step number 2. All right, when you go click here, then if you're in Windows, it's going to take you straight to the window build. All right, and in here you get to see like a whole bunch, right? Pretty much every day there's a new update for the 5MServers artifacts. Now, never ever pass the latest recommended. Okay, that's my tip to you guys. Never pass latest recommended. Right now is 3874, so you look for 3874. Don't matter how many more they add, because when they have a latest recommended here, it means that's the most that's the stable version. If you try to go with the latest 3889, that's where people get glitches, pigeon problems, like the pigeon problems and people crashing the client, the Fivem client crashing and stuff. That's where you mostly get all those issues going other than the latest recommended. Okay, latest optional, this one is kind of stable, but still on that development stage that, you know, might have some few bugs and stuff, because normally it's gonna go kind of like, let's say if right now is 3874 and they put latest optional 3883, that's mean that this one is stable but might have a few bugs that still need to be fixed. Okay, latest recommended, stable, always go with latest recommended, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click right here because it's going to actually download the actual latest recommended, right? That's what I'm going to do. Just click on it. It will automatically download the file for you. Let me go show in folder. And then from here, you go ahead, right click, and you're gonna extract the server files. This kind of got a little quiet. Here, better. Anyways, once you guys got that, all right, let's go ahead and go down, look for the file. It is right here, and here you got your files, right? This is what we are going to transfer over. So I'm gonna push this on the side. I'm gonna go here on the super rebuild, right? So never do Control Alt, copy and transfer and replace. Never replace. You're never gonna replace. You always are going to transfer this to this side, but nothing in here. Okay, so first what I like to do is I'll take this one file and I go ahead and delete the citizen, copy citizen from the new one, right click, paste, let it run. Perfect. Now I go ahead and get all these files. There's two files that you don't want to delete. All right, so right now here I'll delete all that, and then I go ahead and go delete here and here, because from all these files that's going to be here, the only two that you don't want, obviously you don't want to delete your logo or your server.cfg. So are the only two that you don't delete. Once you get that, then you just go ahead and go here and take all that, then control copy, right click, paste, and then you paste all the files here, right? So remember, don't delete your logo and your server CFG. If you delete your server CFG, then you have to redo it again. That's all. That's all. Not biggie, right? Not biggie. Like right now, that's all you need to do. Obviously, you're supposed to have the server turned off. Okay, I'm just showing you how to do it. My local server right now is turned on because I have so many builds that my server build is running off a different one, and it goes and read the settings from this one. Okay, so but the process is the same regardless of how you have your thing set up. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop right now my server. Okay, we're gonna stop it. All right, I'm gonna close this window. All right, I don't need this because I already download that, so we don't need none of that. Okay, so let me go ahead and go where I pull off my TX admin, which is from this other build. It's going to be the same process, right? Don't worry about it. You're not gonna see nothing fancy. Okay, this one has the artifact separate, so I can just control all and delete everything. Not letting me because I need to make sure that all these windows are closed. So, and perfect. Now it should let me try again. Oh, there you go. See? Make sure that you close all the consoles. Like once you close TS admin, you stop the server. Close all the consoles for Fivem. So nothing should be running in order for you to be able to delete. Right? You need to delete everything, and then I'll control all here. Control copy paste. Never replace. Always delete or create a backup of that, because that's the one that you know that is working, and you can go ahead and delete the rest and then put the new ones. Right now this new, now I'll go ahead here, let's go start it. There you go. Gonna start. Look at that right here. So let me see, make sure. Okay, still turning on. Right now, you know you are already in the you are already in the new, because it's 3874, and that is the latest now as of today, right? I think this one got last night. I think I saw it. So we're just gonna go ahead. It's online. Boom. Let's go here. All right. There you go. See, now that that message is not here anymore. We already updated 3874. So we are already in the new update. Let me double check. Make sure everything is great. Okay, perfect. Got it. All right, everything seems good so far, at least on this side. Okay, so perfect. Now let's go ahead and talk about this, because I saw people asking about this error right here. This one right here. Timeout and deprecating warning or something like that. This means like a lot of like these options here, they're not in use anymore. All right. So let's go ahead and update my SQL script. I don't need that anymore, so let's go back to our build. Let me go back, because this was just the artifact, so it don't matter. Let's go here to the super rebuild 2, which is the 6.5 that you guys are seeing. All right, so I gotta look for resources. I think it's in admin. Let me double check. And this one right here, we need to update this one right here. This is the one that needs to be updated. Let me go ahead, and if you give me the GitHub right now. If you don't, that's fine. Just gonna go ahead and let's go ahead here. Open here, and then we're gonna go ahead and look for it. I want to look for it because that way you guys get to see how to find it. All right, let's go here. GitHub. All right, 2.0. Oh, this is way. Let me see what version is this one, because I'm not sure which version is this one. 3.2. There you go. Let me go here and 3.2, 3.3, 3.31. See, this is the latest. and I actually was in the right GitHub from this guy, the Brown Snowf. Yeah, this is the guy that actually created this. So this is the one. So where is my... A lot of the stuff I always find it on... Did I? Oh, okay, got it, because I jumped from the 5M from the 5M forums. So we're gonna go ahead and update 3.3.1. Click in there. All right. Go folder. Here it is, 3.3.1. Extract. All right, it is right here. This is a new one. Okay, so now what I always do is I never delete anything until I'm sure that it's working. Okay. So let me see what it's at. Okay, it's right here. Right click, rename, underscore. I'll put all underscore old. There you go. Oh, excuse me. Now, perfect. Yeah, this is it. Okay. Control copy, right click, paste. Gonna paste in the same folder. Right click, rename. I'll take that. I'm gonna give the same name as the other one. There you go. I got the old one here, just in case if something goes wrong. Just delete that one and put this one back. Okay. So now that we did that already, now I go ahead and restart the server. When I restart now, all this, that error should be gone now. And it's gone. Make sure that you connect to the database. Very important. Right now, see? Didn't connect. It has a connection timeout right here. That is why you get all these ones, because you're not connected. I'm gonna go ahead and restart again. So it is a SQL problem. I'm gonna go ahead, click on restart. You always need to make sure that your database is connected. There you go. Still timing out. I'm gonna try again. If not, then I have to go back here and try to go into the 3 and find all branches, and then we'll go ahead and look for the versions and see which one. Still don't like it. Let me see what version I have in the other one. Where is my remote? Let me see what version I have. As always, MySQL. Okay. Let me see what version I have. .3.2. Let me verify. All right, control copy. That one don't work. Then I'm gonna use the one that I'm using in my server now. And if that one works, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna zip and send it. That way everybody can get rid of that part. Because I know some people have issues, so go ahead and go here, admin, right click, rename, underscore 3.3 underscore timeout. There you go. And I'm gonna go ahead and paste other one coming from my server. All right, let's go ahead and restart. To my belief, I think we shouldn't even have to touch it at all. Oh, hold on, let me double check. Yeah, we shouldn't need to touch it at all. There you go. Server database connection established. All right, so the 3.2.2 that I have is working. I think this one is the one that I got it for somebody else, not the actual creator of the script. Is connected right now, so we're good. No more deprecation. I can't even say that word. Anyways, that error, MSQL error. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna right click, I'm gonna add it to RAR. All right, I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna send it to the guys over there, to the devs. And if you guys want it, you guys can go ahead and update on your own or wait for the next available update. All right. All right, so what's that? I did it. UK time zone. Okay. All right, let me go ahead and send this to these guys. Earnings on the console. Start up. There you go. So I sent it to the guys already, so they can go ahead and start updating those files. Okay, that way. Vamos a ver. So that is done. I just sent it. Who rocks? If you want it, just DM me and I can send it to you right now. Just DM, send me a DM on Discord, and I'll send it to you now. It's small, so I can just transfer over. See, it's like 837 kilobytes. Super small, and then you can go ahead and replace that for the old one. So right now is done, good, running, and is up. Go ahead, go back. I'm gonna log in because I'm gonna look a few stuff that some people are gonna look through the questions on the Discord and see what all the problem people might have, and I'll try to run through them real quick.
Welcome to 5MServers.com.
Oh, by the way, did I thought I did. Housing. Oh God, I thought I had like a. Give me a break. I need to tell my daughter that she had class. Okay. Right, so right now go ahead, check something, because I thought I added that one. Hold on, let me go ahead. You go. So got it. Oh, let me go ahead, go cache and look here, and then delete the cache for that. The Grove, really? Yeah. Here. There you go. Now wait. Go ahead and restart server to get that. Oh, no, yeah, but I mean, even if you, so in the server that you have right now, you don't have it, because if you have that issue in your own server, I mean, I can still send it to you. You can still have it anyways. But yeah. All right. I'll be back real quick. Let me go ahead and log in. I'll be back real quick. I need to give some cereal to my daughter. So give me 2 minutes.
Welcome to 5MServers.com.
All right, back. I'm back. So let me see, make sure. Let me log in. Alrighty. Okay, let me go here on the back because. All right, so this one should be, yeah, the one that has that fixed. And then I should not be able to go through the back. Yeah, see? Okay, because this one still need to be fixed. In here, there's a minor glitch, but it's because I took one collision out, which it makes the wall a little bit thinner, see? Because there's a double collision, but you should not be able to like, see? To like go in regardless, all right? Still protected. All right, cannot go in. See? Still. So, could it be that big of a deal, you know, that you can just, you know, cannot even like, yeah, you cannot even like hide any. Can you hide? Still? Well, you guys can, you know, I don't think that's that big of a deal anyways. So that one is fixed, and then the other one here on the back also. So the ones that I just fixed here should be on the other side. Let me see what else. Let me double check. Oh, okay. So let me go ahead and go here because I saw something people were asking about the businesses that they want to know right here. See, they want to know how to buy. So you see the whole bunch here. If somebody, if you don't have this, if you don't have the big list like that, is if you don't give you the option to buy it, that mean it's because somebody owns it already. And probably if you just if you just created your build, probably the owners is from the 5M team, you know, doing tests and stuff. So all you have to do is you go into the own shops table, and owner shops right here, and see right now there's only one. So all you have to do, you see what it says identifier, all you have to do just put a 0 in it. Put a 0, and that everything that has a 0, it will be available. All right. So once you get that and you go back in here, then you should be able to go here and see all the shops. Oh, I think I got glitched. Oh, there you go. And now you should have them all the 17. They're total of 17 shops right now in the server. No, I don't want to buy anything. So if you guys have any questions about that, you know, in regards with the shops, let me know, because I know some. Oh, I hit the all this here, all this green stuff is the ID of that particular shop. All those yellow ones are, there's a shop in there for you to buy. That's what it means. So I will come here, and then I click on here, and then I will hide them all. because I don't want to see that many. Like in my server, I trying to have the screen and maps and everything clean as possible. Because I mean, having this, I mean, a lot of these icons, it can be taken out. A lot of them are like unnecessary. Like in my opinion, this script, it's kind of good, you know. Sometimes having a build with like a whole bunch of scripts, like, you know, yeah, it's good, but you know, it hurt performance. And sometimes if it's not in use, if people don't actually doing this kind of stuff, you just might as well just disable it and take it out. You know, make your build more efficient, you know, less resource intensive. So whatever your player base is not using, just delete it, you know, turn them off. That way you don't waste resources having stuff turned on, and so yeah. ¿Qué es la que hay, Eudavos? All right, so you mean for the main shop? So you mean for the main? You mean from here? You mean from here or from the actual business shop? I'll show you both. All right, I'll show you both. All right, so for the regular, let me go back. Okay, for these regular shops right here. Oh, and that's another thing. I don't like having shops using this. I don't like having shops using this because there's a glitch on the system using this inventory system, and that's the part that I don't like. If you guys like, in my server, I use Tiger shops. That's what I use, and they can have their own shop also. Because this right here is dangerous. If you don't have any weapons, then that's fine. But if you have like a whole bunch of weapons here and you're like charging people. No, for player shop, so they can, oh, for shipments. Okay, got it. Okay, but check this out, because I don't know if you know it or not, or if boss sabe esto, pero if you guys have this type of shop, like using the inventory disk, I don't have to buy it. I can get a weapon for free. How you get a weapon for free? You bring somebody else with you, and then they'll be next to you, and instead of you transfer this over to you, all you will do is you're gonna give it to them. And what it does is it doesn't charge. It does not charge you, or it don't even charge them. So you can actually just transfer over to them, just click give and give it to them, and you can get a weapon for free or whatever is in here. That will happen with food and everything. That is why I disabled this inventory shop. I took them out. So let's go. So yeah, they're great. They're excellent. They're excellent scripts. I have pretty much almost all of them. The only thing I don't have, I think, is the shop because it deals like And the insurance one, which is I still don't even know what is that insurance all about, other than just join it to the police officer. I mean, I don't find that like resourceful. I get to see if the mechanics or somebody has a benefit on it, but if not, then you know, is bad. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So how do we? Is easy. You have to go to the actual business shop, which is, I think is, yeah, in update 5. If you guys have not moved that yet, you have not moved it, it should be an update 5. So you go on the actual business shop and then go on the config file, and then if you don't want them be able to buy it, just take it out from here, comment it out. Acer switchblade for the that's all you have to do. And back. Just take him out. Because if you have the target, if you have the tiger shop, then you will be able to just have the weapon shop to buy it and not the convenience stores or the grocery shops. This one is more general, like anybody can buy. Like you cannot just say, okay, the restaurant, we only have access to this type of grocery. Gas station will have only this type. You know, it doesn't give you that option. So the way you do it, just take them out from here and then use another script. And then you can do the same. You can do the same for the images if you want. When you guys are adding new items in here for the shops, you need to make sure that the item number here match the item number for that particular image. That way the image will be able to display the right way. Otherwise you're gonna get like a default box. Okay. And then if you add more shops, if you have like more shops, like shop 18, 19, 20, whatever, all these other new shops that you add here, it will have to be matched here also on here. You're gonna do like 18, 19, 20. This shop number has to match shop and a number in order for them to be able to display. Otherwise it won't. You have to do that. For the gas stations, then you need to go and match it on that fuel system. Let me see, the legacy fuel, and then you gotta match. Oh no, it's not here. There you go, the gas stations. Then you gotta match those also next to the whatever, if you want to have a gas station. Otherwise forget about it. If you don't want to deal with that importing, and if you don't want to do, like, if you don't have owners or the owners are not running well, because the thing with the shops is you need to have an active player. If they're not active, you're gonna have problem with fuel stations, and then you're gonna end up going here and updating the quantity all the time. So if you don't want to do this, if you don't want to deal with the stations, just leave only the shops. So what you do is just replace the legacy fuel and then use the one that is not modified. You can look for it on online, legacy fuel, and just use that one. That way you will use the regular shops like everybody else. That way you don't have that problem with the gas stations. Yeah, the mechanics script is good. Yeah, no problem. That is why I, like for me, sometimes it's hard because, you know, English is not my first language. So sometimes for me, it gets a little bit difficult how to explain a problem, like writing it. I'm more like, I'll show you how to do it kind of guy. So that is why I do these lives, you know, and be here for a little bit. That way you guys, you know, whatever question you guys have. And of course, in the Discord, we only be able to help you within the build, right? If there's a problem that you might have, it has to be within the build. If you have problem with older scripts or installing new scripts and you have issues with the build, we cannot help you because we don't control none of those. So if you have a problem, then it's become an isolated problem where we cannot make changes to a code for one script that is not even on the build in the first place. Okay. Thank you. ¿Cuál robo de Burger Shop? El de aquí. ¿Dónde está that police station? It's like all way down here. For this one, the Burger Shop. There's a robbery in there.
Time to
Acá hay un robo. Ah, okay, because. Oh, yeah, because this is like the regular. This one right here. Esto. Oh, I think there's no police officers anyways. Este no lo he probado. Todos esos robos como yo no uso estos robos. I don't use this. I don't use the like in my server. Config. Oh, this is the vehicle shop. Okay. Here. In my build, I have all these robberies. I haven't turned off. I'm not using any of this because I'm not using these ones. One, because if there's a problem, I cannot even fix it because it is encrypted. So I cannot make any changes at all, even if I want to. So I use an anti-cheat system. I have this one turned off. So my replacement for the business shop, I use Tiger Shops. That's the only other I use Tiger Shops because this one we're waiting still for the developers to change here on the config file to give us a trigger event so we can change it for everybody that use anti-cheat system. But here and here again, no, yeah. So I still have not seen that update yet where they're gonna give us the share object trigger event so we can change it. So if there's a problem with the business shop, we don't have no control at all. The only thing we see is this. So if the robbery system is not working, I'm not even looking at it. I'll let them know that there's a problem, but that's about it. We cannot do nothing about it. Exacto. Sí, es el server. So ese es el problema. So yeah, so that is on the so that what you do is just get the take the screenshot of the error and put it on the bugs, the report bugs, and that's it. So, hey, it's not been working for the last few I keep forgetting letting them know. Letting them know because I don't use it, so I forget. I don't use it in my server, and I forget. And if I don't see it, somebody asking for it, but now that you're telling me it, yeah. Since I don't use it, I'll keep forgetting about that. So I had to turn off, like, I'm not using that. I'm not using this. I'm using the old legacy script also, the fuel system. I'm using the old one also. I'm not using this one because everything that is encrypted, I have to add. It doesn't give me the option to change the trigger events. I cannot use it. I have it all disabled. But I love this script. Like, I have 3 people ready. They're waiting just for me to update this script so they can start working on their businesses, because I'm using this for businesses. It's just that, you know, we start getting weird. Like, I had an anti-cheat system. I turned them off because I was using all this script, but then we have a few pricks again that started giving us issues, so I had to turn on the anti-cheat again. So I had to disable them. So what I'm using right now is Tiger Shop. It's excellent. If they somehow can integrate it similar and have it work, that'll be awesome. Let me see, because I think I saw something. Let me go back onto the Discord and let me see if I can. Let me see. Oh, let me go ahead. I think some people were asking me about my textures for my weapons from my server. So I'll post it here. If you guys want it, you're more than welcome to download it. I give that file also to the 5M developers for them to update their weapons. So it's up to you guys if you guys want to upload those textures. I also gave them the vanilla unicorn. Did I or didn't? I think I did. I give them also the vanilla unicorn. Did I install it right here? Did I install it in this server? I'm not sure. I think I did because I was testing stuff. I was testing a whole bunch of stuff here. So I think I give it to them for them to, yeah, see? So I give that to them, this new vanilla unicorn. Pretty nice. So now you can even go here and go around and go here and here. So I give this to them also, the map. I don't know if they will update it or not, but it's there. And I also gave them the pillbox hospital, the new one right here. See, version 2 that has parking right here, and he has the garage on the bottom also, and he has another parking lot. See, free stuff, huh? There you go. So he has parking right here, and then it'll open down here also. There you go. So this is the version 2 for Gaps. Excellent developer. So see, version 2 fully working. We love it. So, but I don't know if they gonna push it or not, as I'll let them decide what they're going to do, but it's there. I'm not sure if they, I'll give them the option, because if they want to have this here, I asked them if they will want it, because I have this one right here. If they want that, then they can have it also. This is the same on this one right here. It's the same at Benny. As a matter of fact, I need to fix this, because see, you see this? So because there's two files right here, there's two files that are, see, in my server, I took this out so we can get more space, and then I turn this around, and I think, did I took the I think I took this, I think I took this out. I don't remember. I think I took that also out, and then see that this has like two, because it has like a fencing here, and then I'll took that fence out. So I'm probably going to take that out. That way we can make space here. I find it like unnecessary. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that. If you guys want to have that fence fixed, I mean modified, let me know. I'm more than happy to help, because I have this so people can come in from that side and go all the way through. It's just this chain link for fence here that can be taken out. Not a big deal. I can even show you. I can even show you if you guys want how to do it. Too easy. Is super easy. Super easy to do. Now you need to have a little bit of cold walker. So let me go ahead and open cold walker right here. That way you guys learn. That's my thing. It's the matter of like show you new things. Guys get to learn how to maintain your own servers and stuff. It's always take a little bit time to load. Let me go here, selection, mouse, perfect, markers, and done. Then we just let it load. When it's load, and we can go ahead and load those files. This is where you do the Y maps. Okay, this is where you do the Y maps. Let me go. Again, if you guys have any question of anything, let me know. I'll be more happy to help. No problem. Want everybody to learn. Everybody learn something. All right. So let's go ahead and drive to Benny. Where is Benny? Benny's this way. There you go. This is Benny right here. Right? So you get to see. So you can guys watch like video how to at least like navigate. Okay, how to navigate. Not that hard, but anyways, let's go ahead and get that map in. Gonna open here Y map. I'm gonna look for the file, so let me go ahead, find where is that. Super reveal 2, go resources, map here, and I'll look for Benny's maps, and I'll look for Benny's stream. There you go. Aquí está Benny B3. I load one, and I go ahead and I'm gonna load that second one, because that way it will show me where the Mecano Patoche, great developer 2. There you go. See? So right now, there's a few things that I want to take out. So let's start. So this one, the one from Patoche, is the one that has the fence. So see, it has a fence on the back right here, which is, that's the one I want, right? And then I'm gonna go ahead and go back here, and I want to have an exit. I know that there's another file that has that back there. So let's go ahead, and all we have to do is just got that select button right here, see? And then we just delete. There you go. Too easy, right? And then let me see. I think there's another issue here on the back too, because let me see. I think there's through here, see? You see here? I think there's another entrance through here. So let me go ahead again and click open. I think it's this one. Oh, it's already in. So let me I think right now we can take hold on. I already modified this one, so let me save it. Okay, let me close this. No. Let me go ahead and open it again. Y map. I'm gonna do Benny's. Only Benny's for now. See? That's a there is here. So what I'm going to do is, if I add this other one, let me go ahead and add that other file. Again, Y map, Mecano Patoche. If I add that, see right here. So now, see, I don't have this. I can use this like, I mean, have the mechanics have like a storage here, but no, I'll have them so they can, you know, because if you have like trucks and stuff, they can just go ahead and, you know, easy way to in and out. So I can go ahead and do this. Make sure that you select it, delete, and then delete. There you go. So now people can get out from here. Okay, I don't need to open this. I can, but okay. What I'm do is I can then I can take that one, or I can take. I think I can. I'll move that. You see that this way, because you can have like a plenty of stuff. But for now, let's leave it like that. I mean, no need. All right, here I want all that space. We're gonna select, and we're going to select, delete, select, delete. Perfect. There you go. Hold on, like. I got that window. See, now I have that 2 doors. Perfect. Now let's make this a little bit cleaner. So we don't delete. You don't want to delete stuff. What you want to do, like, I delete that because I know that's been added. The map originally, there's nothing there, but this is part of the game. So you gotta be careful with the stuff that are part of the game. You don't want to actually delete it, but you can just go ahead, see, and move it down. There you go. See, that's all you have to do. Perfect. See, there you go. Okay, let's go and take this other one right here. I just want to make it a little bit cleaner, man, because every time I go with cars and you kind of like run over them all the time and just drive me crazy. There you go. Just put them on the map. See, like I'm doing right here. Put them on the map. It won't bother you. See, let's go and do that too. That go down. There you go. Make it down. Good. Perfect. I think is this one too. Save both. There you go. There you go. Sometimes they're kind of like double because it depends what distance you are from it. It'll show you, you know, the closer you are and whatnot. There you go. See why this is like in the middle, man. This like oh, there you go. I put it on there. Everything else good. Okay, now what did I, let me see, what did I edit? All right, so okay, I did this one. Oh, so this one is a new map. Okay, got it. Perfect. I just going to, there you go. Call it alarm pennies. There you go. Call it something else. Alarm pennies. Go. In my server, I added like a pump station right here. So, well, right now, what I'm going to do is, there you go. I want to rotate this. No. There you go. Hold on, likely, right? Better. Not bad. Not bad. Now, go ahead and move that to the back. Ah, bueno, pero porque está media vira, ¿verdad? Ah, le damos una enderezadita a la cosa esta, espérate. Esta es la cosa de esto, ¿viste? Que uno tiene como que ahí, there you go. See, sometimes, you know, you just gotta be patient. Alright, I leave that there. That can stay there. That can stay there. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah, it's fine. Alright. The other one is in here. Otherwise, oh, let me go. I gotta go this way. See, because you have two. So I taking this one out. There you go. There you go. And this one. Perfect. There you go. Now more than like. Quito it. Start taking this out. Make it a little bit more cleaner. Oh no. There you go. Look at that. Why do I want that pile of junk there? Everything else can stay, you know. You still give it that, you know, mechanic, you know, shop kind of, you know. There we go. I can probably take that out, but I'll leave that there. I think I can stay there. Let's leave it there. Let's keep it simple. All right, so once you guys have that, like once you make changes, make sure that you always calculate all extents and then save. And then you're gonna do the same thing for all of them. See, whatever changes you do, whatever files that you touch, see, you calculate extent, you're gonna save it. Now this is a new one, so let me go ahead and save as, and then I'll do details, the details. Benny, probably what happened is probably I modified something that is not, you know, that is part of the game, so that's why you never want to modify, you never don't want to modify any of the original files of the game, because otherwise you're gonna have issues. Make sure you save it outside of the game. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm gonna go and go here. go to, where is, okay, let me go MLO edit. I'm gonna go right click, go here, folder, bennies, and then I'm gonna save that particular project. Gonna save it here. Benny's project, save, perfect. Okay. There you go. Now calculate extents. See, they all, because I pretty much, see, I pretty much change something in each of the files. So I gotta make sure, see, that I save it correctly. Okay, so now I saw the other part from inside here. This is the original one. I'm gonna try to load. See, oh, see, this is it. This is it. See, this right here. This is what I want to take out. See, I wanna throw it down there. I don't want this. I want this all the way at the bottom. I don't think the car itself is not here. It's just this. See, I'm gonna put it down. There you go. Now I'm not sure which one is it. Oh, no problem, man. Take it easy. Take it easy. See? I'm removing this stuff right here. They're actually part of the game. It's kind of like, you know, it don't match. Everything looks too clean, and then this is like right in the middle. So I don't want this here. Go ahead and take that out. I already put it down. This right here for the car is, it's not even here. Oh, don't matter. This don't matter. Let me see. Let me go ahead and, yeah, I'm in the project already. All right, so for now, let's just go ahead and, where did I put all those files? Let me make sure that I have them saved correctly. So let me go back here, and then I'll go on here, here, and Benny's and stream. Okay, so I got 1, 2, 4. All right, I got those inside. So let me go ahead and delete Benny's stuff first on the cache, because it's a map. Every time you make changes, I advise you to go ahead and delete the particular map that you're working on the cache file of the server. And then go ahead, go here. I'm gonna go here, and then I'm gonna restart. So let me go ahead and quit. Oh, quit. Oh my god, really? Okay, there you go. And then we're gonna go ahead and restart. Let it run. Once it finished, we're gonna go ahead and log in again and look what changes we made to Benny's. So if you guys remember, Benny had a whole bunch of stuff in there, that fences where they not should be. You know, we're trying to make it a little bit more practical. Is it on? Oh, okay, yeah, it's on. Let's go. Go 5M. Let's go in. Let's go in, baby. Go local.
Welcome to 5MServers.com.
Welcome. There you go. See what we. Let's see what. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. All right. So there it is. See? Oh man, see, they still get okay. That the this still getting out, so I gotta see what that I need to do. Oh, I have like I had like a texture problem here. Maybe I did something wrong with it, but I think it was because I was trying to move that. That is why. So see, I think that's what happened. It just me trying to remove the all like remove this stuff. That's why you got the screw, but it can be fixed. Let's go inside here. Oh yeah, something's not right. Ooh, yeah, something's not right. See, because they're still here. So I definitely did something wrong. Let me go ahead and quit. And then what I'm going to do is I'm pretty sure oh, right, let me go here, 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 and here. All right, so I'm gonna take, why this is in here. Okay, details Benny. I'm gonna remove that here. I'm gonna take this one out. I don't remember this being here. Did I touch something that it would add it to it? Probably. So I don't recall needing that here. There you go. Now go back and we're gonna erase the cache again and we're gonna restart. So all the changes that I did, like for the paint bucket and the tires and stuff, was that those extra files. But removing the fence and those were still part of the main two files, the Benny's and Patoche. So that's the only thing right now. When I restart, it should be able to get well. The problem is when I started, like the problem is when I remove this, probably create these two files are the problem. That's why I delete them. But me removing stuff from these two, it shouldn't be a problem, which was mainly, you know, the fence and the stuff from there. That's the only thing. The problem was me trying to get rid of all the cleaner stuff where it add this one and this one. Okay. So that is why I delete them, because once it's finished, if I go back, then the weird texture that was here and stuff and trying to go into here, it should be gone. So I'm gonna go ahead and Fivem. Go ahead and log in again. Fivem. I wish everything will work just like if you edit maps and stuff and just like restart
Welcome
it
to 5MServers.com.
without having to restart the server. Should it be so much faster when it comes to development? Because restarting and logging in and all this stuff, I know there's like a developer 5M server option. I have not worked with it yet, but I do think it's like very limited anyways. When you're trying to like work on the actual full production server, you're gonna use that developer mode. So because I know a lot of stuff is not working. Maybe if you're working with like one or two stuff, then you'll be fine. But for the most part, when you have like all these scripts and trying to test all this, you know, there's no way developer option will work at all. All right, so let's go ahead and see now when I log in. See, but now there you go. See, now it's fixed. All the texture is fixed, and but the fence, everything else, see, like I said, see, you know, the change that we did there and here, see, the only problem was when I tried to get these buckets and stuff out. So, but there you go. Pretty simple stuff. If you guys want this file like this, like a cleaner, bigger file, then, you know, by all means, just ask me. I'll more than help you to send it to you guys. I don't have no problem. All right, this is pretty simple stuff that you guys can do, can play with it. Also, just make a backup of the map and just play with it. And you break it, just delete it and reinstall the new one. See, there you go. Now, see, now people can come in through here. Well, it says do not enter, so people should, should be the exit. This should be the exit, the entrance right there. So yeah, see, if there's a truck, they can just, you know, whatever, if there's too much traffic, see, this is entrance, exit. People, when they come that way, they just go that way. When they come this way, they just go right down. And then we get to have like parking here, see, so that is why. Too good. So if you guys want this part, it's only that those two files. Actually, you know what, I'm just gonna send it to, since I've been, you know, fixing it as I go. Let me send it to them, you know. Anything that I can do to make the build better, you know, is, that's what I'm here for, man. That's what I'm here for, just to show knowledge, share my knowledge, show you guys, and make your server better. All that it matters, make your server better. Okay, there you go. Here, two files. I'm gonna right click. I'm gonna here, that is rar. There you go. Did I? Oh, I did not. Pillbox. I think I did not send it. So, all right. So Benny's. Global. Law. There you go. I send that. That way you guys can have it on the next update. See? That way you guys can have this nicer. Maybe later I'll add, because I have a pump. I have a gas station pump here. That way the mechanics, you know, can put gas for the car. Because a lot of people sometimes they run out of gas, and then they're here, and then you have to kind of like run all the way back there to the gas station and try to pump. So put a pump there, and then that'll be on the next update. All right, so let me go ahead and see what else we have pending. You know, if you guys have any questions, this is the time. This is the time that I use for you guys. If you guys have any questions, this is the time for you guys to ask. Let me go ahead and let me see what else I see. I think I saw something else. Oh, I think somebody is trying to. Oh, okay. So I think somebody's trying to get rid of this, like, see this weapon on back, that animation, on the Discord. They asking about it. That file, that weapon on back is on the TRP. You need to look for your TRP. That is in custom. You look for your TRP, which is in custom here, and then it called, the name is gun bomb or something like that. Let me see. On the server side, maybe, because it has to be synchronized. Close that. Nope. Because indicator couch, SPLD. What is this? Oh, there it is. Gun from bomb. This is the animation that does that weapon on back, and it's going to do it with these pistols. If you don't have, if otherwise it won't do it. I think that's what it is. If you have other than those, it will just gonna pull it out. That's it. That's where you do it. TRP client, and here it is. Let me go ahead. Go back on 5MServer. Let me go ahead and question some people might have. Answer them here real quick. Oh, okay. ATM I can't even get the update. Okay, drug system. Apparently, let's see. Somebody was asking about they have problem with the drug system. We'll go ahead and double check on that. If you you see how big automatic weapon appear? I mean, you took a machine that's I don't understand what they talking about, man. All right, let's go ahead and get those drug systems. So right now the drugs are hidden. So let me go ahead and go into the drugs, criminal, go in drugs, Fivem drugs here, and then I'm gonna go to one of those. This is your zones, your entrances, all right, and fill and all that. Okay, so let's go to the coke field first. Coke farm. It says that is in. Let's go TP. Let's go to the field. Let's go field first. So 1093.139 negative 3195.673.39.131. Did I think I did something wrong. Pretty sure. Ooh. I think I did it wrong. Find that 673 dot negative 39. There you go. Negative 39.131. I think I'm supposed to go under. There you go. See? There you go. There you go. Collect. Let's see. Some people say they're having issues with them. There you go. I got 1G. So it is working. It is working. So if you guys have like a different script than what they offer, then I mean, they're not gonna, like, we cannot support other scripts that we cannot control. We can try to help you. Like, I can try to help you here, but like, if that's the case, then we need to actually be able to see the script and stuff. See if we can just add code without knowing even what script you have. All right, so working. Okay, and I should be able to go back here and do that. Oh, I got like I don't have that. There should be like a trash can, here is missing. Process. So this is the C. So you farm process right here, I think. You got it. How many it will take? There you go. Okay. Could be. I don't have enough, and I think this is too. This is 2 process only. Okay. To process. Press E to exit. There you go. So this is where you enter. No, this is the code 1, I think. Yes, that's huge. Okay, there you go. That's how you go in and you get out. That works. Nobody here. So that is working. So there's no errors about waste. Let me see what else. Clip. Oh, okay. So this is another big one. I think if I type heal. Oh, it works. I thought it didn't work. Some people say that they couldn't heal themselves. Or unless they're talking about the ambulance. Let's see what else. That. All right, so I don't see that many questions right now. I mean, or some of them they're already been answered. Currently, there's a impound error. There's an let's go verify impound. Apparently, there's a problem with impound. Maybe the impound system. Oh, we're gonna have. Didn't get that good. There you go. Whoop. Right. Goes Joe 1 police or right, can I impound like any vehicle? Go ahead and impound any vehicle as long as they're not an emergency vehicle. I mean, I can try that one too, don't matter. Let's see. Found it?
Did they? Well, that's good news. No, we're out in Los Santos.
That means it's not.
San Andreas.
At least on the F5.
It's a very unchristian place, Jerry. I wouldn't recommend it.
Or well, that true means is trying to call the actual file, but it's not working because there's no command provided for it. Vehicle. Impound. It says true. Can I impound any vehicle or this ones are black? I think these ones are black.
Well, I didn't
Let me
take
go ahead
it.
and right. I'm a police. Yep. Yeah. Claro, pues si estaba muerto. Well, I think he like ducked down. I think. Right, you didn't pay for parking. I had to impound your vehicle. Or do I have to do it through the side or something, or on the front? I don't see any errors so far. So far, no errors. Only that one there for the crew system, but I had nothing to do with. So here. Alright, let me go and buy a car. Because one thing. Oh, did I buy one? Yeah, I think I did. Yeah. But that it goes. Did I buy one? Did I buy a vehicle? I don't remember. I think I did. Alright, let me see. Let me see where's the impound. I think I bought one. Inbound is not working. We can just work on it and make it work. And if I fix it, then I'll send it. Okay. Here. Oh, it's not even turned. It's not even on. That is why. Well, that is why the inbound is not working, because it's not even on. Not even on though. Wasn't even on, that's one. So in the 6.5 they have it turn it off. So see, it ain't inbound at all, but it's being turned off. That's mean there's some issues with it. Temp to new bound config Lua. So yeah. I don't use that inbound system. Custom. This server main in line 53. Error. Because there's no owner. That is why it's not working. Because there's no owner. That's with, so let me go here. Owner, own vehicles. Oh, what I did. Right. Did I bought? I think I did. Look at that. See, I do have cars. They're somewhere. There's somewhere. Let me see if it's now the impound majigger thingy is somewhere. Where's the impound lot? Let me see. Impound lot, because right now I don't even know where is it. Normally it is somewhere. Maybe somewhere down here or way up. No, that's insurance. Like somewhere over here. that they had like over here. 1 point. This one don't even have like employ. This one don't even have a config file anyways. Even impounded. My cars are like in the air somewhere. So I gotta go here on vehicles, look for my cars down here, and if he has a 0 in state 1, it should be. Oh, okay, because 2 are police. Okay. Oops. So where is this car at? This is the one I don't know where it is. Garage. Can I use the ballet? Let's get that ballet going. I don't have. Gotta buy a phone. Let's go ahead and buy a phone. Go down. Let's go down here. Go ahead and buy a phone. So I can, you know, get my car. In my own server, I don't have that ballet option because otherwise, if the police, the impound system that I have, people have to go to the police station to retrieve their car. So if I go ahead and leave the valet option, even if the car is on the impound, I can just retrieve it without me having to go to the police station. So that is why I took this app out. Unless I have time and look through it and do like create a function where it says if this vehicle is in police impound, you're not allowed to retrieve. You know, I will have to actually do the thing, the whatever, you know. There you go. There's my car coming. Oh, I forgot that glitch. But I'll fix it anyways when the guy comes. Guy is closing in. Where is it? I don't see it. Where's my car? There you go. Look at that guy. Look at that guy. Give me. Yeah, but I don't want you. No, don't. It's that money, the money issue. You're gonna get stuck. See? You get with that money stuck out. I'll show you how to I'll show you how to fix that. Pretty easy fix. It's a pretty easy fix for that.
Everyone's down with the Prop 208 right now, except the haters.
Let me see if I can impound this one.
Jackson, the terms
Let me see if I can impound my own vehicle. Because this one has an owner.
Okay, I'll see you tonight. Can't wait to spank that ass. Okay, later.
The thing is that this impound don't have anything on the this one don't have any config file. This impound don't have config file. Let me see if my older let me see the difference between this one and the old one. Doesn't have. So that's mean it's calling the wrong vehicle. 53. Where plate limit 1. What? Understand. Impound vehicles. Okay, baby. I have my daughter. All right. I'm gonna be working on that then. Trying to get it fixed. All right, so let me go ahead and I'm gonna look into this. Probably I'm gonna take a little bit of time, so I'm gonna write it down. In that way, I work with this offline. Since the thing is, all right, the thing with this right here, the impound itself is not even turned on by default on the build. So I don't think Fivem is gonna support it. So I'm gonna look at it and I'm gonna try to help you guys out if you guys want to use this impound. I don't like personally, I don't like this impound myself anyways. But if you guys want it, I can look at it and see if I can fix because it seems there's like a table issue. Probably it's looking for something that does not exist, because I don't even see this limit 1 means. So I'm gonna have to go in and look on the table, all the table values, and look for what this mean with that limit 1, because I don't know right now. I don't understand this, so I gotta look through it and try to pair what are the values are in here. I gotta look through all this stuff, which is the impound vehicles, because this one use a different table, and then I gotta go here on the owned vehicles. Own vehicles. There you go. I gotta go here, look through it. See, I don't see no limit table value. So maybe it's because it doesn't see that. So I gotta read through the code. It's not my code, obviously, so I don't know how this I don't know how this script is built in, so I'm gonna have to read through and see what it can be done in order to make it work. But if you guys have like different impound, there's another impound is way better than this one, that it will work right off the bat with advanced garage system. So this one, it has to be adapted. If you guys are gonna be using like different type of garages, it's not even worth it trying to. That's probably why they have it disabled. But if you're using the garage from here, then I can go ahead and try to fix it. But if you're using a different type of garage and then it stopped working, then I'm not gonna be able to do anything, because that's a problem. Impounds, it has to be configured for that particular garage system that you're using. Right now in my server, I don't use that impound. The garage system that I use, it has an integrated impound system for the server, and it don't have like an external independent garage system where it take the car from one table, take it out, and then add it to another one, because that create a whole different duplication problem and stuff. So but anyways, I'll look into it. Then if I be able to go live tomorrow, I'll try. If not, then that will, because today's Friday, so I'll take a break. I still gonna be answering questions on Discord, but if anything, I'll answer questions on the Discord, on the 5M Discord support page for you guys. I'm not sure. I think the other guys, the other devs, I think they're on their day off. So I'm always around. I'll always go in, read through it, and whatever I can ask, I mean, whatever I can, answer and help out. Again, if you guys want some of the maps and stuff that I sent to the guys already, you guys can go ahead and ask me, and I'm more than happy to send it to you guys. All right. So I think if there's no any questions, because I haven't seen nobody written on the chat anymore, other than Mr. Nfurox. Then I'll go ahead and stop the live, the Q&A for now, and I can come back. If I'm not back tomorrow, anyways, I'll post it. Every time I'm gonna go live, I'll post it on the Discord page. So if anything, I more than likely will come back on the Monday. All right. So thank you guys for the support. Thank you for watching. I'm here to help you guys out, teach you what I know. I don't know everything, but I mean, as long as you guys get to learn something, right? So thank you for you guys watching, and peace out.